Hello, I'm Professor Tracy Gutuza, Academic Director and Acting Head of the Wits School of Law. At the Wits School of Law, our students graduate with a world-class law degree. We are home to leading academics, and we maintain a very strong connection to the broader legal world. We offer a number of qualifications at the School of Law. These include our undergraduate LLB degree, postgraduate diplomas in law, master's degrees, and of course the ultimate academic qualification, the PhD. There are several ways to obtain your LLB degree. You can pursue a straightforward law degree, which takes about 4 years. Alternatively, you can follow a combined pathway, either a BA law or a BCom law, which takes approximately 5 years. You can also complete a 3-year general degree without law subjects, and then follow it with a 3-year LLB degree. There are therefore a number of ways to become a lawyer, and at the School of Law, we offer all of them. In addition to the LLB, we offer master's degrees and postgraduate diplomas across a wide range of subjects, from constitutional law, admin law, commercial law subjects such as intellectual property, information technology law, tax law, banking law, amongst others. The key difference between a master's degree and a postgraduate diploma is that the diploma does not require a research component. Our academics are internationally renowned experts in their field. They are active researchers, but also maintain strong ties with legal practice, keeping us firmly connected to the legal world beyond the classroom. These experts make valuable contributions to the development of law and legal policy, and as a result, our graduates go on to serve in the judiciary, top law firms, policy work, research, and business world. For those who choose not to practice law, the degree equips you with skills that opens many other pathways. A crucial element we instill in our students is a strong ethical foundation. To be a lawyer, you need to be a fit and proper person, and we take that seriously. Our LLB students complete a dedicated course in law and ethics, which underpins everything that we do. Beyond ethics, we also place significant emphasis on critical legal thinking and legal writing, ensuring that our students are well-rounded and capable professionals. When people think about the Wits School of Law, they often think about social justice, and rightly so. This focus runs through our teaching, our research, and our writing. It is also reflected in the 3 centers aligned to the school: the Law Clinic, the Mandela Institute, and the Center for Applied Legal Studies, known as HELS. Our Law Clinic is one of the largest of its kind in the country. It has been operating for over 50 years, serving members of the public who would otherwise not have access to legal assistance. The service is provided with the help of our students and supervising attorneys. All final year students complete a course called Practical Legal Studies, where they work directly with clients, gaining hands-on experience while giving back to the community. HELS is a world-renowned institute. It specializes in strategic litigation and operates as a public interest organization, bridging the world of academia and the pursuit of social justice. The HELS connects the law with the real world in a meaningful and impactful way. The third center is the Mandela Institute, rooted in the legacy of Nelson Mandela. It promotes thought leadership and innovative thinking around leadership in Africa and the concept of sovereignty. It is a research institute focused on policy, furthering the school's commitment to meaningful engagement with society. So the Wits School of Law is a forward-looking institution. While social justice remains at our core, we also recognize our responsibility to prepare students for the evolving legal landscape. The Wits School of Law is a forward-looking institution. While social justice remains at our core, we also recognize our responsibility to prepare students for the evolving legal landscape. We are developing courses in cyber law, information technology law, and we are actively exploring how artificial intelligence is shaping both the substance of the law and the way law is practiced. We research, teach, and write on the cutting-edge areas of law, equipping our students with the critical thinking, jurisprudence, and writing skills to deal with the legal challenges of today and those that lie ahead. Our students leave here ready to face the world as it is and as it will become.